Here we're going to look at question 20 of the ENGAA 2018 paper. In this question, we're told that we have a beaker and fill it with a volume V of water. We then weigh the beaker with the water inside it and find the combined weight of the beaker and water is 290 grams. Next, we remove the water from the beaker and fill it with the same volume V of oil. The combined mass of the oil and beaker are 270 grams. The question then gives us the densities of water and oil respectively, 1 gram per centimetre cubed and 0.9 gram per centimetre cubed, and then asks us to find the mass of the beaker. So to help us solve this problem, let's try and write it down a bit more mathematically. So we know that the mass of the beaker plus the mass of the water is equal to 290 grams. We also know that the mass of the beaker plus the mass of the oil is 270 grams. Now, using the equation that density is equal to mass over volume, we can go ahead and find the mass of the water and oil. It'll just be the density multiplied by the volume. If we call the mass of our beaker M, then we find the mass of our beaker M plus the density of water multiplied by its volume, V, is equal to 290 grams. Also, for the oil, we find that the mass of the beaker plus the density of oil multiplied by the volume of oil, V, is equal to 270 grams. We can then eliminate M from both of these equations to get an equation which just has V as the only unknown. We can rearrange and solve this to find that the volume of liquid in our beaker in each case is 200 centimetres cubed. Now that we know that the volume is 200 centimetres cubed, we can go ahead and substitute this back into our two original equations. Therefore, we find out that the mass is going to be 90 grams. This corresponds to answer C.